Hello friends, we are going to study about the history of arrangement of elements. So Dobereiner was the first scientist who arranged the elements. Uh, Dobereiner gave his own theory. He arranged three elements in one group. The, the elements which show similar physical and chemical properties. Uh, he arranged that three elements in the same group, and he gave the name the Dobereiner triads. So we will see the example. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses, uh, and he observed that the middle element has the approximately mean value of other two. That is, the example is lithium, sodium, potassium. Has 6.9 atomic mass. The sodium has 23, potassium 39. This is the example of Dobereiner's triads: lithium, sodium, and potassium. Here in three elements in one group, and he observed that the middle element has the approximately mean value of other two elements. That is 6.9 plus 39 is equal to 45.9 divided by 2. 22.95 is the approximately mean value of middle element. This was the Dobereiner's triads. After Dobereiner, Newland studied the elements and he gave his own theory that Newland's octaves. Newland arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses, and he found that every eighth element shows the similar property as that of the first. That is, we see the table of Newland. This was Newland arranged these elements, and he found that every eighth element shows the similar property as that of the first. That's why he arranged in this manner. But his law is applicable up to only few elements. Afterwards, after Newland, Mendel studied the elements and he gave his own theory. That is the Mendeleev was the most genius scientist in that era. Mendeleev arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses, and he also stated that the atomic mass is the most fundamental property, and he arranged his own periodic table, and he kept some vacant places. that he predicted that in future some elements were to be found, and he gave that the names to the which were found in the future. That is boron, silicon, aluminium. These elements were not found in the Mendeleev's time, but after in future these elements were found, and his prediction was correct. And these elements were to be known in the name that is scandium, germanium, and gallium. So these elements were to be predicted by Mendeleev, and after Mendeleev's modern periodic table was this was the Mendeleev's prediction. Up to Mendeleev's, all scientists suppose that the atomic mass is the most fundamental property, but in modern periodic table, Henry Moseley supposed that the atomic number is the most fundamental property of the elements, and in modern periodic table, Moseley considered that the atomic number of element is the most fundamental property. Modern periodic table has the fundamental property that is the atomic number, and physical and chemical properties are the functional. Modern periodic table, Henry Moseley stated that the chemical and physical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. So this was the history of arrangement of elements. Thank you.